Naked Sport Motorcycle 2018 Husqvarna Vitpilen 701 Preview. When Husqvarna announced its return to the street segment in 2015, it announced the Vitpilen 701 concept, a naked sport motorcycle that was powered by the 693cc single transplanted from the KTM the 690 Duke. 2 years later, the Vitpilen 701 has journeyed from concept to production bike. Husqvarna unveiled the production version of the Vitpilen 701 at EICMA, alongside the Svartpilen 701 concept. Following are the essential fast facts of Husky's latest street bike. 1. Vitpilen, which translates from Swedish into white arrow, joins two other production Husqvarna 701s, the 701 Enduro and 701 Supermoto. 2. The Vitpilen is powered by KTM 690 Duke's 693cc single-cylinder engine. The motor produces a claimed 75 horsepower at 8,500 revolutions per minute and 53 feet-per-pound of torque at 6,750 revolutions per minute. 3. The KIN fuel injection throttle body is operated by a ride-by-wire system. Engine management system, EMS, continuously adjusts the throttle valves for optimal power delivery and throttle response. 4. The 6-speed transmission is matched to an APTC, Adler Power Torque Control, slipper clutch. This setup helps maximize rear grip under hard acceleration, and stability when hard on the binders and downshifting. 5. The Vitpilen 701's chromally tubular steel trellis frame is paired with a WP 43mm fork and WP shock. The Vitpilen 701 rolls on 17-inch wheels with 120/70 and 160/60 tires. 6. Stopping the Vitpilen 701 is one disc per wheel. There's a 320mm disc up front squeezed by a 4-piston Brembo caliper, and a single 240mm disc out back slowed by a single piston Brembo caliper. 7. ABS is standard. The Vitpilen uses a Bosch 9m plus 2-channel ABS system, which can be turned off. 8. The price has yet to be determined, but the 2018 Husqvarna Vitpilen 701 will be available in summer 2018.